Here we have a 2019 BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. They include the M Sport Plus package and the technology package. We have the 20-inch alloy wheels in gloss black, all in excellent condition and unmarked. The blue M Sport brake calipers are just behind. We have the black sapphire metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, glass black front kidney grills. There's a look at the front end. We also have the full performance kit, which includes the glass black front splitter. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom. We have the second alloy wheel just down here, again unmarked. We also have colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We have the eDrive badging just there. We also have the third alloy wheel, again down there, unmarked. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside and an audible warning. We also have the dual exhaust with the rear diffuser at the back. If you press this button just here on the remote, then the boot will pop open just like so. And inside of here you find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have the charger just there on the left hand side as well. Little handle just underneath here to pull the boot closed. And then walking back around to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if you take a look at the final alloy wheel, and then having a look at the interior. So inside of the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre with the fixed ISO points. We also have the blue stitching. We have the ambient lighting on the doors. We also have the brushed metal door handles in a nice wooden trim. We have the electric windows and the premium Harman Kardon sound system. If we take a look at the front, we've got the same full leather interior with the blue stitching. There's a look at them front seats, both of which are electrically adjustable and they're also both heated. Again, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting across the doors, electric mirrors and electric windows, automatic lights and the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If we take a seat inside, you find we have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel, digital dashboard just here. If we put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us, and you'll find we'll be free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard, only one being about the fuel, so nothing to worry about. So we do have the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is currently displaying the sat-nav. Put the car into reverse, you find we have the reversing and front sensors just there, back, rear, front and rear sensors. Put it back into park. We have the heads-up display just here, if the camera will pick it up. You can see there's a heads-up display just there, but you'll be able to see that on the photos as well. We have the DAB radio just here, along with a range of media such as the CD player. We have the Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring and the USB. We have the phone connectivity just there. We have the different drive modes, so we have the Eco Pro, we have Comfort and Sport. That also changes the look of the dials on the dashboard as you go in each different drive mode. Go to the main menu, go into My Vehicle, go into Vehicle Settings. This is where you find the interior ambient lighting. As you can see, there's plenty of colours that we can choose from. So for example, if we go on to orange, it will change the lights to orange, and it really does come to life, especially at night time. Press this button just down here, you find that we have the intelligent safety. We also have the climate control down here, heated seat buttons either side. We also have the ice cold air conditioning, all working just as they should do, as you can see. Inside of here you find we have the wireless phone charging. We also have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port. We have the automatic gearbox, different drive mode buttons. We also have the shortcuts down here for the infotainment screen, electric handbrake and auto hold. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, we are staying straight and true. Now we do have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, so if you want to stick the car into manual mode, you can do so by just tapping one of the paddles and it will change gear. We do have the multifunctions on the steering wheel, so we have the cruise control and the speed limiter buttons on the left hand side. side and the volume buttons on the right. We have the digital dashboard just here in front of me, which can display different options, again which you would have seen on the photos and also on the walk around video. Just above there we have the heads-up display, which displays the miles per hour that you are currently going. We also have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Now we've just come up to some temporary traffic lights, so we'll just slow down a little bit here. We do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, but combined with the blue stitching, which is a really nice touch. Both of the front seats are electrically adjustable, and they're also both heated as well, which is perfect for them cold winter mornings. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still go out feeling fresh. That's just how comfortable these seats are. We also have the wooden trim throughout this vehicle across the dashboard, across the doors and also down here in the centre console, which is a really nice touch and really makes this interior a nice place to be. We have the ambient lighting as well, which really does come to life, especially at night time. We have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav, but we also have plenty of other features as well, which you would have seen again on the walk around video and also on the pictures. But some of the features include the DAB radio, we have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Below there we have the climate control, which has the dual zone climate control. We have the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for these hot summer days. We have the automatic gearbox, which has the different drive modes, such as the sport drive mode. We have the Eco Pro and Comfort. Now here at RS Car Sales, we do have over 500 5-star reviews across Google and also Trustpilot. We also offer free nationwide next day delivery, so if you want this vehicle, you can get free nationwide next day delivery. We're coming up to the industrial park where we take a right hand turn. I'll perform an emergency stop and put the car into reverse, just to show that the parking sensors work just as they should do. We'll put a right indicator on and allow the traffic to pass, and then we make the right hand turn. So waiting for this car to come past and then we'll turn. So onto the industrial park, perform emergency stop now in 3, 2, 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors just there. Put it back into drive and we've got no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all of your questions, please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's all from me today. Cheers.